Good morning. It's Friday, my favorite day of the week. This is Tammy with Tammy's Stamping Therapy. Friday's my favorite day because it's my work on my stamping stuff day. I work 4 10-hour days at my real job, and Friday I get to do the other things that I really love to do. So, my first video today is I'm coming on to show this happy mail that I got yesterday. I was very surprised to get this box. First of all, because it's Crafter's Companion, it's beautiful purple, my favorite color. And this came to me from Elisha with Elisha's Crafty Hoplop. It was very sweet of her to send this to me. This is a thank you box that, isn't that ribbon pretty? Look at that pretty purple ribbon. See if I can get it all in there. This has these little doors, and it's to open every day, and I think it's full of die cuts, if I remember correctly. I can't do a video every day because, like I said, I work full time and 10 hours a day. So I'm going to do maybe once a week, and I'll open a few of them at a time. Since I got it yesterday, I'm going to open 1 and 2 right now. So number 1 is over here, and I did kind of peek in there yesterday to see how to get into it. And number 1, of course I don't know how to get it out of there once I get it open, is a little apple die. Uh-oh, that was good. It didn't go too far. Funny. So this is a little die. Isn't this cool? Beautiful little apple. And let's see what's in number 2. I just love, this is such a cool idea to have a blessing every day for, let's see, 29, 30 days. So this is a little, number 2 is a little bitty one. Let's see what's in here. I have a glare from my lamp, so I'm having a hard time seeing anything besides the shiny foil. What is that? That says lots of love. Isn't that cool? Very, very fun. So that is 1 and 2. I think what my plan is, I'm still going to open it every day, but then once a week I'll come on and show what I got, and I'll die cut from them and show you what the die cuts look like. So right now, let me get some red cardstock, and I'll show you this little apple. Real red. And red and green, and I will use, I have this little tiny die cutting machine from Easy Cuts. I actually have a couple of little tiny die cutting machines. I really like the way this one works. This came from Dress My Craft, is where I got it. I found them, what's her name? What is her name? Oh, my brain's not working yet. It's too early in the morning for me. But somebody did videos on Creativation, somebody that I watch a lot, and she did the Dress My Craft booth, and they have this stuff that has been on back order ever since then. I still haven't been able to get any. It's called Shrink Prink, and you can make the coolest flowers look like glass with the Shrink Prink stuff. But I did, Dress My Craft is in India, and I did a big order from them. You can also get some of their stuff, I think, from scrapbook.com. So there's that apple. This is a really nice die cut. I'm going to cut it also out of green and show you what I would do with it. So what I would do with this, because it's an apple, is I would cut this off, and then I would glue these together so that the leaf is green. I might go as so far as to cut a brown stem. I'm not positive, but this is very cool. This is a really nice size, and it's just so fun. I really love this die. Let's see. So then I'm going to cut out the word. It's cutting really nicely. Well, this machine cuts very nicely anyway, but there we go. I gotta punch out my little doodads, but lots of love. Isn't that cool? This will be really pretty on a card. It's a good size for a card. Elisha, that was so sweet of you. I absolutely love this, and I'm going to have so much fun every day seeing what the new thing is for the day. Something I was working on. When did I do this? In the evenings during the week, my brain is kind of mushy, so I can't work on any involved projects. I have a ton of things I want to do, but by the time I get off work, I can't remember what they are because my brain is tired. So I've been working on these. You guys saw this one before. I made this little book. It doesn't open. I glued all these pages together, and it's just like a keychain or whatever you want to do with it. So I have been making these guys. I did this, I think I did this, probably took me 2 evenings because it takes a while to glue all these pages together. So I already had this one also, but I made I guess I had these 3. I already had these 3. And I made these 6, 7. Maybe I already had one of the, I can't remember. But, so I did these a couple evenings this week. And I like things that are miniature, so I think they're adorable. It might be fun, excuse me, to use as a dangle on a planner. I have this split ring on them, but I'm thinking I could take off the split rings and put on a lobster claw. So we'll see. I made the little tiny books too previously, and I put them onto the little envelope books that I made, and I've used a couple of those for Happy Mail. So this is what I was able to get crafted this week. And now that it's Friday, I have big plans, but I always have big plans and then overextend myself. So we'll see how much I get done this weekend, but there's a lot I want to get done. And thank you so much, Elisha. This is going to be a blessing to me every day for 30 days, and that is just so cool. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Hope everyone has an awesome Friday.